Recreating Megan Thee Stallion's iconic red stilettos from her LV unboxing press-on edition. Let's get into it. I'm a savage. Before we get into it, let's go over the materials. I'm going to show you how to get that exact celebrity look for a fraction of the cost using press-on nails. But we're adding a little twist with some white pearl rhinestones to make it our own. To achieve this look, I'm using pre-painted red stiletto press-on nails. Save us so much time. And a nail file or nail drill. Some cuticle remover and cuticle pusher. Alcohol wipes. Acetone. High quality glue or adhesive. A wax picker tool or tweezer. White pearl rhinestones in various sizes, and a high shine top coat to seal it all in. Before we get into the video, let's do a quick little unboxing. Charger to my previous nail drill stopped working, so I decided to get this new one. And come to think of it, I could have just gotten a new charger, but I got this one with the thought that I would end up having one as a backup just in case. Was drawn to the color. I really like the pink girly shade, and it came with all these accessories and replacement heads, but it turned out drill bits were too big for this drill. So we're back to square one where I have to use my old nail drill. But luckily, the charger that came with this drill worked perfectly. I should have just gotten a wireless nail drill and call it a day. Dame la plata, plata. Cash, cash, cash. Get money, get money. It's bam, bam, bam. Hey, it's bam, bam. She wanna flick for the gram. So she wanna take this beat on cam, like, hold up. The secret to making press-ons look like a professional acrylic set is all in the prep. We want these to last. First, I'm gently pushing back my cuticles. Dame la plata, plata. Cash, cash, cash. Get money, get money. It's bam, bam, bam. Hey, it's bam, bam. She wanna flick for the gram. Then I'm buffing the surface of my natural nails to remove any oil. This gives the glue something to grip onto. Finally, a quick wipe with alcohol to ensure a completely clean surface. I'm applying these pre-painted tips now. When applying, I like to start at a 45-degree angle near the cuticle and push down firmly to avoid any air bubbles. These stilettos are already so sharp. They really capture the stallion energy. If your press-ons feel a bit wide, don't be afraid to file the sides slightly for a custom fit. Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna take this beat on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. 4 lines of better, I pull up. Hey, it's bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna take this beat on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. 4 lines of better, I pull up. Now for my favorite part, the twist. We're taking that classic red and adding white pearls. This elevates the look from a standard red mani to something a bit more coquette and high fashion. For our accent nails, I'm doing somewhat of a tapered cuticle cuff. I'm starting with the largest pearls right in the middle, then tapering down to smaller pearls as I move towards the side walls. This creates a more natural contoured look that follows the shape of your finger perfectly. It's those tiny details that takes a press-on set from basic to high-end luxury. Use a tiny bit of top coat or resin to keep these in place. But in this video, I'm actually using a little bit of the glue to hold these in place.
Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna take this beat on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Full lines are better, I pull up. Hey, bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna take this beat on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Full lines are better, I pull up.
We're finishing with a thick layer of high shine top coat. This not only protects the pearls, but gives that glass finish Megan always has. As you can see, I'm fighting for life with this OP top coat. If anyone wants to sponsor my next mani and send a girl some refills, I wouldn't be mad at it.
Dame la plata, plata. Cash, cash, cash. Get money, get money. Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna take this beat on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Full lines are better, I pull up. Hey, bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna take this beat on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Full lines are better, I pull up. Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna take this beat on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Full lines are better, I pull up.
After your nails are all dry, you want to add back some moisture to your hands. Right here, I'm using the Vaseline Cracked Heel Rescue. Yes, this is actually for your feet, but they work surprisingly well on your hands, especially during the cold winter months. Then you want to add some cuticle oil to those cuticles. You certainly don't want those cuticles to be looking ashy. And there you have it, the Megan Thee Stallion inspired look for less. It's fierce, it's red, and it's perfect for anyone who wants a luxury vibe on a DIY budget. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to like and subscribe for more celebrity inspired beauty. Let me know in the comments, would you rock these with the pearls, or do you prefer the classic solid red? I'll see you in the next one. Bye!